Welcome to Booze on the Rocks. My name is Adrian Edwards, and today we're going to be making an Empress Old Fashioned. What are you doing?
Alright, it's great to have everyone back here today. We are making an Empress Old Fashioned. And to help me do this, I have Adrian, another one of my kids. Isn't this great? Anyways,
dear God.
So Adrian, we're making this Empress Old Fashioned for everybody out there that's viewing this.
Okay.
And this is a variation of the original Old Fashioned. And this is, of course, a stirred cocktail. So here is your mixer glass. Isn't it fancy? Yes, no, maybe?
Why does that have a little beak thing?
For pouring. So you can pour stuff.
So like any other glass, just with this beak.
Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, so the first thing you need is some gin. To make this purple, we're going to use some Empress 1908 gin. Now this gin is made in British Columbia and it contains a butterfly pea flower, which is the reason why it's blue. And we need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. That's a 2-ounce jigger.
Okay, so
To about there.
to there.
Yeah, right there, you know. Hurry up, come on, figure it out. Chop, chop.
I can't open this.
Come on. Pull.
My hands are sweaty. Shut up.
All right. So that's 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Pour it in there. Just pour it in there. Whatever.
Oh.
Perfect. All right. So the next thing we need is Pisco. Now, Pisco is a Chilean and Peruvian drink. It's actually made from... What?
I wanted you to pull it off and accidentally
I
hit me in the
can't. There's
face.
plastic there.
Okay. That means nothing.
Sure it does. It means I can't get into it until I actually figure out how to get into it, and I don't have a knife. So while she gets into this, now this is a Chilean Pisco, not Peruvian, and what they do is they actually use grape juice and turn it into a common wine. After that common wine, they actually turn it into a distilled liquor, of course, by using a still, and you can do that numerous times. And usually they're anywhere between a 60 proof to, I'm going to say 90 proof. Now, of course, if you want to figure that out, that's 30% to 45%.
Can I help you?
Yeah. You know, eventually they want us to make the drink. Here, do
Are
something.
you sure that they want to? They want us to do this?
Use that. Just kind of go around the thing. Now, can you at least say something? Because...
Can I at least say something?
Yeah.
No, absolutely
talk
not.
to them.
I don't want to talk.
Tell them a little bit about you.
Why am I talking about myself? I thought
Okay.
this was about the drink.
It is about the drink, and it is about us talking to our people, everybody watching. Our subscribers, our viewers.
Okay.
Can you at least get that open? Because, you know. Okay, chop, hurry up. Now you need 3/4 ounce. And that's a 1 ounce top. 3/4 ounce works out to 22.5 milliliters.
To there?
Yes.
Okay.
Pour it into the...
I don't like to leave things open.
Okay, fine. Give me the booze. Chop.
Almost lost this.
All right. So, next thing you need is a simple syrup, and you need 1/4 ounce. This is a 1/2 ounce on top. 1/4 ounce works out to 7.5 mils, so half of that.
Half of it?
Yes, half of that. And this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. 1 part water, 1 part sugar, warmed up until it goes clear.
Well, why?
Huh? What?
Why is it like a syrup?
It's sugar and water.
Oh.
Heat it up like a syrup. So the next thing we need is some Peychaud bitters. And we need 3 dashes, please.
What do you mean by dashes? I don't know how to do
Okay, top to
dashes.
top. It's got a little dasher on top, so just turn it over and go splat, splat, splat 3 times. Perfect.
Oh, okay. I didn't have shit like this at my bar. Pardon my language.
I'm not cutting that out, sorry. Now you need 3 dashes of Angostura bitters.
Okay.
Same thing, please.
3?
Yes.
Okay.
That's technically 2 and a little bit.
Okay, do you want me to do it again?
No.
I'll do it again.
No, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Uh-huh.
Give me the damn bottle. Thank you. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some ice using the scoop, just not the fancy round ones. Bit more. Well, just drop it in. Bit more. Sure you work at the bar?
I want to point out that I worked in the kitchen, not behind the bar.
Okay.
So you can't say anything about
I
that.
can say all sorts of things.
No,
and
you
I am
can't.
saying stuff. Okay, perfect. So what you're going to do is you're now going to put the cap on that, and you're going to stir this for 30 seconds.
This is so stirring.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I don't think this is stirring. This is just moving it around.
Keep stirring.
Why
There's
would
more
you stir
effort.
it?
More
Why
effort.
wouldn't you stir
Faster.
it without the ice?
Because you're chilling it and diluting it all at the same time. Hold on to the bottom of the glass so you don't knock it over. Because if you're anything like me, you'll knock it over. And she's a lot. Come on, chop, chop. Here.
I want to point out this box and probably go across the room first.
Actually, stir.
I'm
Okay. Perfect. That's about 30 seconds. Oh, bit more. Okay, good. I just wanted to prove it, make you that.
Why?
Not bad. Okay, so this is the glass we're using. Can you grab the ball ice? The ice ball, please.
Which one?
You know which one. Yes. Yeah! Well, it's kind of rounded. Anyways, it is rounded actually. So I get to do something now. So we're gonna just pour this
Do you
in
do
nice and
things?
easy. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't really think you do.
See, look, I can do something.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm very sure. Get it right. I'm your dad. I can do these things. Okay, so we need a garnish. And for this, we're just going to use a lemon peel, but we're going to peel it with our Y peeler directly over the glass. And we want to make sure that we don't throw it in there like so. But we're going to express it into the glass.
I would have
like
cut
so.
my own thumb.
Okay. Then we need a knife, which I don't have. That's okay?
Get you.
It's okay. Hold on. I'm going to use a sharp tip and see if I can do this the way I want to.
Probably not.
You're so helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is David at his best, apparently. Really, honest.
I mean, not gonna lie, it is pretty creative to use a sharp tip. Or whatever you want to call it.
That's a cocktail pen. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to put that like...
Hey, look! There's too much!
Damn it! Fancy glass.
Change the glass.
Shit. The glass is supposed to be tipped. My helper may have put too much in there. Anyways.
I have no idea what you're talking
So
about.
the thumbnail is going to look totally different and it's going to look really, really nice. So we'll put that in there like so. And away we go. We'll also have a very nice garnish on it. So would you like to try that?
Sure.
Tell us what you think.
I never say no to a drink.
And? What does it taste like?
It tastes sour.
You sure about that? I know it's gin. It's got some bitters in
Oh,
it.
that's why I don't like gin.
And you let me make this video with you today. Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, she doesn't like gin.
I don't like gin, but that's actually not that bad.
Okay. So
It's got like that like weird sweet and sour taste in a mix. From what I think anyways.
Okay. Smells good. I immediately get the notes of lemon directly off of the glass.
The first
from
thing
the...
you smell.
Yes. Notes of lemon.
Notes.
Yes.
Notes?
Notes of lemon.
Notes. Notes.
So. Okay, so we get the lemon. Okay, so the gin is it's a little bit muted and it's balanced nicely with the Pisco. It is still a gin forward drink based on an ounce and a half of 45 mils of gin. the bitters, both the Peychaud and the Angostura, give us some notes of complexity.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not just gin you're tasting. You get the herbal notes from the gin, but you also get the grape from the Pisco, which doesn't quite taste like grape, and you get all these wonderful things. Do you want to try it again? What are you doing?
I wanted to run away.
Apparently it must be good.
I don't like gin. This is actually not that bad, actually.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will be notified. And what I really want you to do is I want you to put down in the comments how much you would like to see Adrienne here the next time she comes to visit me in a video.
No.
You say
no.
Yes. Say,
No. No.
And if you're interested in
just subscribe.
And if you're interested in supporting the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps to bring all this to you.
Subscribe, I'll make t-shirts.
Apparently we're going to have to figure out how to make a t-shirt. You have a great afternoon.
It's not that hard. Are you serious? It's not that hard.
Okay, apparently. And I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
I know you all missed me. I own this show.
Do you want
We
to try
all
that?
know that.
Do you want
You
to-
and I
hey,
would
do you want to try this or not?
destroy the show.
There wouldn't be a show left between the two of you. Is that
I
good?
have no idea.
You ready? You ready? Okay, so you're going to focus on me and the camera. Nothing else. Nobody else. It's important.
Do you think Adrienne's gonna be able to do that? She's gonna look at me and she's gonna laugh.
Just like both of you squish right behind the camera.
I'm really not that funny.